Today, let's see the difference between our switches and other switches. This is a M brand touch-style smart switch. We bought it from the market. It has 5 parts in general, a very simple structure. Here's the power supply and smart module PCB. Their individual structure. Now we put the 2 electrical parts together and put them in the back case. This is a very simple metal plate. The black case fits in the plate by the click sound. Very easy steps and assembly. Last step is to put the glass back. Just find the spots and pressure it. The PCBs look very loose in this back case, which doesn't seem stable quality, especially during the shipments. Okay, now it's finished. Let's see our smart switch on the left side. We have 9 parts on just one switch. Before that was only 5. First, we put the power supply into the back case. The plastic module is precisely made. We have this small cover that protects the PCB on the power supply and isolates the electrical interference. It looks, I need to push the PCB a bit more tight. Very precise modular design. With the click sound, the cover is right in position. Second, we now assemble the plate. Our plate is with one direction design to avoid wrong setup. It is painted metal plate. You can feel the mold, very precise and compact. And we have an extra plastic frame to wrap up the plate. Like just now, put them together tight. The crisp clicking sound. Now we finish half a switch with 5 parts already. Here's the Smart Module PCB. The hollow design can enhance the signal transmitting. Let's focus on the pin spot. The gray color plastic cover is a shield to isolate electrical interference and make both parts more secure. This black plate is another front shield to protect the smart PCB. So on our very special designed smart switch, every electric part is completely isolated with plastic cases of shields protection. Many famous brands love our design for OEM because our design can ensure electrical parts secure to have a much longer lifetime than other designs. Okay, now we have 2 semi-finished parts. Let's assemble them back together tightly as usual. The special design can also minimize any warranty issues. This is why our smart switch costs a bit higher for its much better quality assurance, stable product condition, and much long lifetime. It will be big troubles when you're facing warranty issues because of a very simple design wall switch. The price difference is worth it. At last, let's see the panel materials. The AG glass, aka anti-glare glass. It reduces 99% light reflection like iPhone 16 back glass with comfortable skin touch feeling surface. You can see we have small individual glass and 1 full panel glass on the table. Let's now find the right spots to click the panels back. It's done. Very crisp and soft panel clicking sound. Thanks for watching the video and leave us message.